How to install your FォルボAluura Flex. First, what do you need? A pencil, ruler, chalk line, adhesive tray, bucket and roller, tackifier Eurocol 542, hand roller, utility knife, hooked blade, straight edge. Step 1. Make sure that you are satisfied with the flawless condition of the flooring delivered. Color consistency can only be guaranteed for deliveries of one production batch. Please acclimatize Aluura Flex for at least 24 hours at the location where it will be installed. Put a maximum of 3 boxes on top of each other in a decent pile. Aluura Flex should be laid at a room temperature of between 18 degrees C and 25 degrees C. Please note that the subfloor temperature must not fall below 15 degrees C. Step 2. Making a cross on the floor. Clean the floor. Determine the middle of the room and work from there. Make a center cross on the floor and mark it down. Tip. Sometimes it is better to shift the cross a bit, bearing in mind the full size of the tile or planks towards the walls. In this way, you will minimize waste material. The cross is your starting point for the installation of the first tile. Step 3. Apply the tackifier. Make sure you use an adhesive tray in the bucket to spread the tackifier over the roller. Make sure the roller is thoroughly wet. Start rolling out the tackifier from the middle of the room. Work in sectors so you keep your working space. After approximately 40 minutes, the tackifier is ready to use. You will recognize that the tackifier is hardly visible, but when touching the floor, it is a bit sticky. Step 4. Installation of the tile. Start in the middle of the room from the location of the cross and lay the first tile. Roll after every tile with the hand roller over the tile so it sticks to the floor. Place the next tile on the other side of the cross against the already placed tile. Afterwards, work in a pyramid towards the wall to lay the floor. The first row from left to right and then from top to bottom. Put all possible full tiles in the room. Step 5. Matching the tiles against the wall. Now you will fill all gaps in the direction of the wall. Put a tile on top of the already installed tile. Another tile comes on top against the wall. Make sure they are aligned. Cut the middle tile along the tile on top. Make sure you cover the floor before you finalize the cut with a utility knife. The cut tile can be installed in the space between the installed floor and the wall. Take the other part of the cut-off tile and put it on top of the next tile. Make sure it is aligned on the site of the installed floor. Place a new tile over it against the wall and cut the middle tile to size with a utility knife. Use the utility knife hooked blade to cut it through. Continue this way of working until you have finished your floor. Your Aluura Flex floor is ready to use.